Welcome back to the channel. I am in the midst of making a series of videos which I entitle The Ancients. I've become quite fascinated with a period of time in history, let's call it around 75 BC, and we're talking Eastern Europe around the Mediterranean. Call it the Eastern Mediterranean over to the Caspian. So Italy over to the Caspian, down to present-day Iran and over to Egypt. That whole region. I did a lot of research into that period of time and some of the things that were going on, the political situation and the feuds and the civil wars and the incest and the mass killings. It was quite fascinating. The more research I did, I did a lot of research, and the more research I did, the more intrigued I became, and the deeper I fell into a rabbit hole. I became so intrigued, I started writing a book. I had never written more than, let's say, a 20-page essay in university on an electric typewriter. But I found myself writing a book. I got about 250 pages in, and then it went onto a shelf because I got stuck. I didn't know where I was going with that. So it got stuck on a hard drive, gathering dust. So I hope to get back to it sooner rather than later. We're going to delve into the world of writing in today's video. Reed pens were used, the reeds that grew around the Nile, and papyrus was the preferred medium for writing on. Specifically, we're going to make ink the way it was made. The traditional ink formula called for soot, gum arabic, which I will show you, and some water. That's all that was used. This method was used by the ancient scribes and artists to create the ink for their scrolls and manuscripts and works of art. But why these specific ingredients, and how does it compare to the inks that we purchase today? I wanted to first talk about gum arabic, and I should actually get that out. Wish I knew where it was. Excellent. Where's my gum arabic? Gum arabic. Gum arabic. I purchased this at an art supply store. It was maybe $5, so it's not bad. Gum arabic is a natural resin harvested from the acacia tree, and it plays a crucial role in the ink making process. Its main purpose is to act as a binder, ensuring that the soot particles mix properly with the water and that the mixture adheres to the surface that you're writing on. You'll see without this gum arabic that the soot and the water won't even combine. They won't become homogeneous. This video is not going to be the traditional video that I usually do. I'm not going to be blabbering throughout the video. I'm just going to put on some background music and let the video do its own talking. It's only about 8 minutes long. You'll see at the end, I'm going to be using a store-purchased ink. I'm going to be using this Winsor Newton ink, and I'm going to compare it against the homemade ink. So let's get to it.